Hey guys, welcome back to my booth. The anti-theft bag did quite a lot of rounds around internet when it newly came into the trend. There were videos everywhere advertising the Wonder Bag, and of course, I'm talking about the original one. Soon, e-commerce websites were flooded with copies, and every manufacturer producing its own design. But the principal design was the same, which is it had no visible zippers and grabbing points which snatchers can use to their advantage. If gadget reviews, DIY projects, and life hacks are your thing, then consider subscribing to my booth and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of the action. This one comes from Banggood.com and retails for $27. It has a 27 liters storage capacity and comes in three colors. Now, I wanted the light gray and black version, which gives it really nice contrast with the bottom part, but I guess I'll have to work with this. Anyways, let's have a closer look now. First of all, the appearance is just okay. I like the top part, which is fabric. The bottom part is some sort of cheap rexine and is very prone to scratches. And the worst part is they stay unless you really clean them properly. Now, you might think there is a pocket here, but you would be wrong. There is nothing over here. On the other side, we have a couple of paddings in the shoulder and lower back area. The shoulder straps are pretty average, and there's a small pocket in the right one as well. What I specifically don't like are these. They're really thin and smooth and kind of slippery, and you always have the feeling they're going to slip out of the buckle. They don't do that easily, but it's just that the feeling is there. Just for comparison, I have my current backpack, and just look at the difference between the two. Even the ends of these ones are kind of open, and the threads are coming out. These flaps come around the waist when you're wearing the bag, which I kind of like. It gives it a really neat look. And there's a hidden USB port in the left flap, which you can connect to a power bank inside the bag. Note, the bag does not come with a power bank. Now, you might notice one very big difference from the original anti-theft bag design, and that is that the zip is visible. Usually, you have a flap on top concealing the zip completely. However, they have decided to put a padlock in place, which is a simple three-digit passcode lock. The main zip runs all the way from one end to the other, so you can open up the bag like a book. There are, however, two more flaps on the sides with the Velcro, which you can use to hold the bag in a half open position, even if you open the zips all the way. Once again, the material used is pretty cheap and it even shows on the inside. Now, I'm not saying it's not going to be durable, it might be, because the stitch work is pretty okay. Time will tell, but I'm not very fond of the general feel it has. Oh, and here is where the power bank goes. You can simply connect the USB cable to the power bank, place it in the pocket, and close the zip. And this way, it doesn't mix with all the stuff in the bag. Now, the main aspect is a cargo space, which I think is plenty and well organized. See, on one side, you have a huge pocket which can easily fit a 15.6-inch laptop with enough protective padding on both sides. Below that, there's another small pocket for maybe like a tablet, and you also have these elastic bands on them to keep the devices in place. You can throw in a couple of small pens or tools like the Xiaomi screwdriver, the water TDS tester pen I have, a regular pen. On the other side, also you have a pocket for maybe like a notebook or something, and two more smaller pockets, which I'm going to fill one with an extra phone and a wireless mouse. And you're still left with plenty of space in the center, which you can fill with the miscellaneous stuff. I'm going to put in my laptop charger, my wireless headphones, monoscope, an extra light, which I sometimes use for video recording. You know what? I'll also throw in the drone and its remote. Yeah, that's quite a lot. I'm just going to wrap it up now. You know what? Now that I see it, it's not half bad. I mean, all my essentials are in there, and most of them not mingling with each other. I mean, the bag I'm using right now fits everything well, but other than the laptop, which is in separate pocket, everything else is just on top of each other, like the mouse, iPad, notebook, everything just in one pocket, and I have to rummage inside to get my charger out all the time. Even though I stuffed in all the things I had lying around, it doesn't look that bulky when worn. So, all in all, I don't like the quality that much in general, but I cannot deny its effectiveness when it comes to storing and protecting stuff. I think I might use it for a while and see how it goes. I'll also leave a link in the description below in case you want to check it out. And that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe to my booth for more gadget reviews, life hacks, and facts. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Instructables. All the links are in the description box below. Click on the thumbnails to watch my other videos or check out my YouTube channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching.